సూర్య కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ ధర్మవరం వెస్ట్ గోదావరి డిస్టిక్ ఏపీ 6302060449. Today we are discussing about Mesopotamian civilization. It is one of the ancient civilization. It is flourished that developed by the two rivers, located two rivers, Tigris and Euphrates rivers. It is one of the ancient civilization. The ancient Mesopotamian civilization is now called Iraq. Greek word Mesopotamia meaning it is the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Tigris and Euphrates rivers. The both they are important. The rivers, these are rivers are the going through the major part of the Iraq. So the Mesopotamia civilization developed surrounding of the Iraq and Iraq in Iraq also. It is one of the ancient civilizations, contemporary civilizations of Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization, China, Persian civilizations also. These are one of the most important civilizations in the world, ancient civilizations. These are all civilizations. The ancient civilization flourished around the river valleys also. So the Mesopotamian civilization developed the around of the rivers between two rivers, valleys, Tigris and Euphrates rivers. These are the Iraq is the most important of the Greek that desert of the Greek desert. It is Iraq is located in the desert area. So much we stand. The Mesopotamia civilization constructed by the Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Hittites or Kassites, Assyrians, Chaldeans. These are the clans developed the Mesopotamia civilizations. Once again I will tell: Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Hittites, Kassites, Assyrians, Chaldeans. These are peoples the constructed the Mesopotamia civilization. Civilization is the relations also. The major Indus Valley civilization peoples and Egyptian peoples. The most important of these peoples are relations of the civilizations. These both civilizations, Indus Valley and Egyptian civilization peoples and Mesopotamian peoples, there only trade and etc. between the relations also. First, Sumerians. The Sumerians time period is 3500 BC. These are peoples who first started the Mesopotamian civilization. It was Babylonian civilizations and also some only cities, Sumer, Ur, Herodes, etc. The writing script is cuneiform writings. The invention of Sumerians, plough of the sailboat, so this period is called the cradle of civilization. This period is the cradle of civilization, another civilization, the Sumerian civilization. The cuneiform lipi. This was the lipi was important of the lipi, the most important. That was the peoples that developed. When there only the ancient time, the plough and the sailboat, these are important. The plough is there, flag is there. For the purpose of the digging up the land, sailboat is for the purpose of trade business in the oceans also. The Mesopotamian civilization people, the relation to the other continent relations through the oceans seas by the sailboat. The important writing is cuneiform writing is there. Akkadians. These are Akkadians is ruled central area of the Mesopotamia. The Akkadian kingdom is claimed to be the world first empire. Akkadian, the peoples claim there only the first empire. It is a kingdom is a claimed to be the first, the empire, world first empire, Akkadians. It is a Mesopotamia civilization, one of the important clan, Akkadians. So this we see the important cities of the Mesopotamian civilization, Akkadian cities in the map. So very most important Akkadians also. The world so many the cities there in the empire. The kings there started the empire there only, but there the Akkadians kingdoms claimed to be the world first empire. World first empire. So it was the most important of the great there only Akkadian. The first, the empire means the king is there, another there only. The peoples ruled by the king. It was important of the kingdoms also. That is of the next Babylonia. It was another is Babylon, 1792 BC. It is located northeast of Sumer. The Babylonian, the great ruler is Hammurabi. Hammurabi is recognized for this code of law, Hammurabi Code. Hammurabi Code. The world is now there on the basis of the law, Hammurabi Code. All of the law, the information noted, Hammurabi Code in the ancient time, in the period of Babylonia. In the period of Babylonia, the Hammurabi, and there only important code of Hammurabi Code. The world following this now. The law, the first there only Hammurabi in the clan of the Babylonian clan in the Mesopotamian civilization. The time period is 1792 BC. 1792 BC. It is located northeast of Sumer. Northeast of Sumer. So the great Hammurabi, the great ruler of Hammurabi is in the Babylonian Hammurabi. He was follow the code, Hammurabi Code. He was introduced to the Hammurabi Code. It is the law. He was ruled by the Hammurabi Code, the world famous code. Another is Assyrians. Assur time period is 1000 BC to 612 BC. The Assyrians, Assur time period 1000 BC to 612 BC. Another is Chaldeans. The great king Chaldeans is Nebuchadnezzar. He is the greatest of Chaldeans king, ruled entire Babylonian. One of the wonder of the world is Hanging Garden of the Babylon. Hanging Garden of the Babylon. One of the wonder of the world. Hanging Garden of the Babylon. Hanging Garden of the Babylon. Another is gods of Mesopotamia. Major 7 gods. Yan is sky god. Yan, sky god. Nenhur-Sad is mountain god. Nenhur-Sad is mountain god. Enlil is earth god. Enlil is earth god. Nanna is moon god. Nanna is moon god. Uttu is sun god. Uttu is sun god. Inki is wisdom and magic god. Inki is wisdom and magic god. Inna or Istar is Venus god. Inna or Istar is Venus god. So the Mesopotamian 7 major gods: Yan, Nenhur-Sad, Enlil, Nanna, Uttu, Inki, Inna or Istar. These are gods of Mesopotamia. Trade business, export of in the period Assyrians, The grains, cooking oil, poultry, leather goods, basket, textile and jewelry. Other civilization peoples, Egyptian and Indus Valley peoples, their imports gold from Egypt, Egyptian civilization. The Mesopotamian peoples gold they imported from the Egyptian peoples, ivory and pearls from the Indus Valley civilization peoples, tin from the Anatolia and Persian civilization peoples. So this was the export and imports, trade business developed by the Egypt, Mesopotamia. Another is Mesopotamian civilization declined by the river floods of Tigris and Euphrates. So many historians, it is important of the divert of the flood. This was the civilization declined. Mesopotamian civilization declined by the river floods of Tigris and Euphrates. So all of the civilizations are declined. The world civilization, ancient world civilizations declined floods by the surrounding rivers. Also, the Mesopotamian civilization declined by the river floods of Tigris and Euphrates. Tigris and Euphrates. Thank you, one and all.